Hey everybody, Joe Cioffi, weather in a minute. Friday, the 24th of October. Nice weather day setting up and down the eastern seaboard. Again, we have some instability clouds with an upper low that's in eastern Canada, so we might see some sunshine this morning gradually give way to some developing cloud cover in the mix. And there's always still the chance that there could be the odd shower well inland. I think for 99% of you, it's not going to be an issue. Beautiful weather across the south and southeast today. It's going to be another nice sunny day, but we do have some adverse weather that's moving into Texas and Oklahoma and Arkansas. This is an area that is going to be moving eastward through the deep south over the weekend and eventually reach the southeast coast early next week. And down the road, it might have ramifications for our weather. You can barely see it, but right at the very bottom, you can see some of the blow off from our tropical storm Melissa, which has been basically stationary all night, southeast of Jamaica and south of Haiti. Still forecast to eventually turn northwest and maybe a bit to the west, and still forecast to strengthen to a major hurricane over the weekend, but we're going to keep our eyes on it nonetheless. Radars are pretty quiet, except for what we see down in areas of Texas and Oklahoma and Kansas with some moderate to heavy rain there. And also, you can see the scattered shower activity that's going on in parts of upstate New York because of that unstable air aloft, the cold air aloft, and the upper trough. So we have no real problems for today or the weekend. Temperatures are going to be trending somewhat lower as we go through the weekend and into early next week. We're going to have a few days where some places are going to have a tough time making out of the 50s, and maybe at best somebody gets up to 60 or 61. But we should have a fair amount of sunshine for both Saturday and for Sunday as high pressure moves to the east and then rebuilds in eastern Canada early next week. So even cooler air will come down. You'll notice it Saturday night, Sunday night, and probably Monday night. And then here comes low pressure through the Gulf states on Monday and off the southeast coast on Tuesday. This could eventually wind up being a bit of a coastal storm for later next week, at least how some of the models are looking at this. It seems like we do have a shot here for dealing with wind and rain, possibly beginning Tuesday night and Wednesday and lasting into Thursday of next week. Melissa's not going to be coming up the East Coast, so we don't have to worry about that. Joe and Joe Weather Show will be back on Sunday at 7:35 p.m. Eastern Time.